On April 7, 2025, global markets witnessed a bloodbath. President Trump's new tariffs spooked investors worldwide. Major stock indices plummeted, recording historic falls. The tariffs have unleashed forces with far-reaching consequences. Before the tariff storm hit, investor sentiment was cautiously optimistic. However, the tariffs have shattered this fragile confidence. The abrupt shift in US trade policy has triggered a wave of panic selling across all asset classes. Gone are the days of irrational exuberance that characterize the post-pandemic bull market. The specter of a recession looms over the global economy. JP Morgan raises recession probability to 60%. This stark warning underscores the severity. Tariffs could trigger a deep economic downturn. Economic fallout is felt across various sectors. Pension funds and retail investors see savings dwindle. Stock market rout wipes out retirement savings. Tariffs take a toll on jobs. Layoffs are becoming increasingly common. Initial impact felt in technology and consumer goods. Apple, Nike, and others see share prices tumble. Pain spreads to consumer staples, healthcare, and utilities. Small businesses are particularly vulnerable. Tariffs push many to the brink. Economic damage is not limited to the United States. Global economy feels the pain. China experiences a slowdown. European economies brace for a slump. Emerging markets are particularly vulnerable. The global economy is teetering on the edge, with policymakers unable to act decisively. The White House remains committed to aggressive trade policies. President Trump continues to tout his America First agenda. The prospects for a coordinated policy response are dim. Congress is unlikely to rein in the president's tariff powers. Fiscal stimulus is constrained by ballooning US debt levels. The Federal Reserve is caught between a rock and a hard place. Cutting interest rates could further fuel inflation. The global economy is adrift, vulnerable to an unpredictable United States. The absence of a clear policy response exacerbates uncertainty in financial markets. Investors are left to fend for themselves in a volatile environment. Business leaders have sounded the alarm about the tariffs' consequences. Bill Ackman warned of an economic nuclear winter if the trade war escalates. Jamie Dimon expressed concerns about the risk of recession. The global economy is at a crossroads. The path ahead is fraught with danger. The tariffs threaten to unravel decades of economic integration. The time for complacency is over. The world is watching and waiting for leadership. The future of the global economy hangs in the balance.